Alright, so I thought I'd do a little video demo of how to make an eye tool. So this here is a cheap rasp that fits in a 1/4-inch die grinder from Harbor Freight. They're real cheap. I think I picked up a 12-piece set for $7. So what you want to do is you want to round the tip here, make a concave surface. So you get you some 1.5-inch cutoff wheels from for a Dremel. I picked these up from my Ace hardware store. I spent a bit of money on the easy locks, which I don't recommend. I'd rather just have the standard mandrel. These come apart if you get a catch. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is take this, run both machines, and then I will hollow out the tip of the rasp with the cutoff wheel, like this. It takes a while, but as you can see, I'm beginning to get a concave surface on the tip of that bit. And that's what you want. I'll probably keep working on this one until I get back to the thickest part of this bit. This bit slopes down at the very tip. And so I'll just keep burning it up. I'll probably put another one of these discs in because it'll burn down a ways. And you want a big radius on it. And that way you can take your eye tool and you make a small eye, or you can round it around and make a bigger eye with it. Anyway, $7-8 comes with a bunch of them. I've made, I think, 4 or 5 eye tools just out of this set. You can also use their plug cutter set, which the wood plug cutter set comes with 4 bits. You cut the long plug off, do the same process to make a concave part on the solid part of the bit. And that comes with 4 different sizes, so you get a wide range of sizes of tools. I'll show you some of the bits I made. So here's another one of my concave rasp bits from the rasp set. And then the plug cutters look like this. This one I might need to grind down some more. It's got a good flat spot. Here's a very large one, the same deal. Hope you can see that, where it's just a concave surface. And then you want to practice eyes, just get you a board and use all your different tools and just practice making little eyes. And some of them are good, some of them are not, but I'm pretty happy with the bits. They're very cheap. I know you can buy them from a maker online. They're in one of the carving pages on Facebook, but I like making stuff. I made my own for less than $10.